What if everything you know about time is wrong? That time doesn't actually exist. No past. No future. No flowing timeline moving from yesterday into tomorrow. Only your brain believes in time. We measure our lives in seconds and years. We organize everything around clocks and calendars. But modern science is beginning to question something radical. What if time is not a fundamental part of the universe at all? This isn't science fiction. It's a serious problem in modern physics. Because when scientists describe reality at its deepest level, time often disappears from the equations. The universe doesn't care what day it is. Particles don't wait their turn. And nothing in nature checks a clock before it happens. So why does time feel so real to us? Why does it control our lives, our stress, our fears, and our regrets? To understand this, we need to separate reality from the way the human mind experiences it. Humans didn't discover time. We invented it. Our brains evolved to survive in a dangerous world. To survive, we needed to predict what happens next. Prediction requires order. Order requires memory. And memory creates the idea of before and after. This is where time begins. Not in the universe, but in the mind. Atoms don't remember the past. They don't worry about the future. They simply change. But humans do remember. And because we remember, we experience sequence. We call that sequence time. In other words, time is not something flowing around us. It's a mental framework we use to organize change. Without humans, there is no schedule. No deadlines. No sense of too late or not yet. The universe simply exists as a collection of states, each one related to another. Without any deepest level of physics, the universe does not run on time. It runs on relationships. Physics asks questions like, what changed? Compared to what? In relation to what else? Not, what time did this happen? Even the most advanced theories describe reality as a network of interacting states. Not a movie playing frame by frame. The idea of time flowing forward is something we add after the fact. Reality doesn't move through time. Time is how we describe movement in reality. This is why different observers can experience the same event differently. There is no universal clock ticking for the entire universe. There is only perspective. And once you remove the observer, time vanishes completely. You feel like you are experiencing the present moment. But neuroscience reveals something unsettling. Your brain is always late. What you call now is actually a reconstruction of events that already happened a fraction of a second ago. You never experience reality directly. You experience a processed version of it. This delay is small, but it's enough to create the illusion of time flowing. Your brain stitches memories together and labels them as past, present, and future. But in reality, there is only information changing. The sensation of time passing is a side effect of consciousness. It feels real because your brain needs it to function, not because the universe does. Think about fear. Fear is never about the present. It's about what might happen. Think about regret. Regret is never about now. It's about what already happened. Both depend entirely on time. Without time, there is no anxiety about the future, and no regret about the past. This is why moments of deep focus feel timeless. When your brain stops simulating past and future, time seems to disappear. You feel calm, present, fully real. In those moments, you are closer to reality than at any other time. If time is not fundamental, then the universe doesn't age. Nothing is truly moving forward. Everything simply exists. Events don't happen inside time. Time happens inside observers. Reality is static. Only perspectives change. Time is not a property of the universe. It is a story your brain tells you to navigate reality. And once you understand this, you stop fighting time. You stop chasing it. You start experiencing reality as it is, not as your mind labels it. If this changed the way you see the world, subscribe. More videos like this are coming. And they go even deeper.